Hi guys! Welcome to Lots of Love. Napakaganda ng araw here in Canada. It's springtime. Maganda ng mga bahay dito. Sosyal. Yay! See, people are running. Nice weather. Woo! Run, run, run. Run, run, run. So people are running now. Springtime. Lubos-lubos na habang tapos ng winter. Now it's hot and cold. Parang nasa Baguio lang ang peg. Bye guys. See you again for my next vlog. Let's enjoy the weather here in New Brunswick, Canada. God bless us all. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.